We have already seen several showers and thunderstorms from earlier this afternoon, and as we continue into the evening closer to midnight tonight, still another round is going to be on the table. Here's a look at current satellite and radar. We've been seeing the pop-up style showers and storms, all just due to the peak heating hours from earlier this afternoon, as well as more humidity out there. Another cluster of showers and storms on the other side of Lake Michigan back towards Wisconsin will have our attention as we continue on later on into this evening, and then again closer to the midnight hour. Big question mark is going to be how much are these storms going to hold their strength as they continue to cross over Lake Michigan. So the better chance is going to be for anything to go strong, potentially even severe, a little bit farther south and a little bit farther west, indicated by that yellow shading you do see there on the map. All of northern lower still in the category 1 out of 5 chance for a few stronger storms. I think our main hazards are going to be damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and some lightning. Let's go ahead and go over some of the newer data coming in. Here we go on to the statewide view of Future View. There's going to be that complex of showers and storms crossing over Lake Michigan closer to around 8, 9 o'clock. And as we continue closer to the midnight hour, we'll see these showers and storms making northeasterly progress as we're getting closer to the midnight hour. It still does look like the majority of northern lower closer to the straits. It's just going to be some more heavy rainfall. We're hopeful that we can avoid the severe weather, but the parameters that we still do have in play still going to be on the table, at least for the next few hours. So something to pay attention to, at least for the rest of today. Past midnight, those showers and storms move off to the northeast. Our winds, you can see the little blue arrows coming in from the northwest. That's going to be some cooler air. You'll definitely notice that as we're going throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures by the afternoon for our Thursday, it's going to be a struggle to get into the 70s, even still just some 60s for high temperatures tomorrow. Not as humid, too, but still a lingering shower as we're going at least throughout Thursday morning. By the time we're going later into the afternoon hours, by the evening, overall, we should be starting to see some cloud cover decreasing as we get later into the day tomorrow. So a little bit more sunshine towards this time tomorrow. And then things are still looking dry past midnight, even as we go right there, at least into the beginning of your Friday morning. So here's a look at those hazards, at least for any more showers and storms for the rest of today. Still thinking the main hazards will be the damaging wind threat as well as the heavy rainfall. We just have a lot of moisture to work with, and we've already been talking about some flooding concerns near Alpena County. So if you find yourself under one of these showers and storms, we easily could talk about potentially a few inches of rain in a very short period of time. Also, unfortunately, going to have to watch our wildfire smoke trends. There still could be a little bit more haze out there coming back as we are getting into the beginning of your Thursday morning. But let's talk about some positive news. At least we are going to be getting rid of some of this humidity. Dew points are really going to be at least falling as we're going throughout tomorrow. A lot more comfortable with those numbers, at least back into the 50s, and the winds still a little bit breezy. That direction coming in from the northwest as we're getting into the day tomorrow. Some of those numbers back near 20 to 25 miles per hour. It's still pretty warm out there right now. McBain, you're still talking about some temperatures in the low 80s. Current number right now, 82 degrees. Cadillac, still a very warm evening as well, with your current number sitting right now at 80 degrees. Temperatures past midnight tonight still will be warm and humid, at least for the early overnight period, to support some showers and storms early on. And temperatures, again, 50s if not some 60s, but the cooler numbers. You'll notice that as we're getting into the day tomorrow. Check out high temperatures as we're going throughout your Thursday. That's going to be it for the heat. Eastern upper tip, the mid. It's only some mid-60s getting into the afternoon tomorrow. Lingering shower throughout the morning, decreasing clouds gradually as we're getting into the afternoon hours by the evening. Even into western lower, it's going to be a struggle for several locations to get close to 70 degrees. So a little bit cooler as we do take you into the day tomorrow. And even still on the sunrise side, not much warmer. You're still talking about some more mid to upper 60s there. Still our northwest wind a little bit breezy at about 10 to near 15. Gusts at times back near 20. If we do happen to talk about a few more low 70s, we'll find that into some of our central zones. But again, that's really going to be the extent of the heat, at least as we're taking you into the day on Thursday. There it is into the next 7, Jody. We'll talk about a drier day for your Friday. Another good chance for some rain on Saturday. And then our temperatures past the weekend do start to go back up. More 70s and 80s.